Good morning students. Today we are going to learn some more problems, some more problems on linearity property of inverse Laplace transforms. Find L inverse of s square minus 3s plus s square plus 3s plus 4 by s cube. So its inverse transform L inverse of s square plus 3s plus 4 by s cube. So first we have to simplify this function. L inverse of s square plus 3s plus 4 by s cube. Separate division L inverse of s square by s cube plus 3s by s cube 4 by s cube. So s square s cube cancel, we get 1 by s. 1 s is cancel, we get s square 3 by s square 4 by s cube. And by linearity property, coefficients are outside. Inverse trigonometric functions of Laplace transform L inverse of 1 by s. 3 is the coefficient outside. 3 into L inverse of 1 by s square. 4 is the coefficient. 4 into L inverse of 1 by s cube. By linearity property it is. Okay. And formulas, L inverse of 1 by s to the power of n is t to the power of n minus 1 by t to the power of n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial. Here n equal to 1, so 1 minus 1 means L of 1 by s we get 1 only, and L inverse here n equal to 2, so 3 into t to the power of n minus 2 by 2 minus 1 factorial, and 4 into here n equal to 3, so t to the power of 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 factorial. 1 plus 3 into t, 2 minus 1 means 1, 3t by 1 factorial, 4 into t square by 2 factorial, 1 factorial means 1, 2 factorial means 2, 2 1 ja 2 2s means 1 plus 3t plus 4t square by 2, 2 1 ja 2 2s 2t square plus 3t plus 1 is the answer. Next problem, L inverse of s square s cube plus 2s plus 2 by s to the power of 5. It is also same, separate division. So L inverse of s cube by s to the power of 5, 2s by s to the power of 5, 2 by s to the power of 5. Simplification, we get L inverse of 1 by s square plus 2 by s to the power of 4 plus 2 by s to the power of 5. So 1 by linearity property, 1 L inverse of 1 by s square plus 2 into L inverse of 1 by s to the power of 4 plus 2 into L inverse of 1 by s to the power of 5. So by using same formula, L inverse of 1 by s to the power of n is t to the power of n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial. Here 1 by s square n equal to 2, t to the power of 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 factorial, plus 2 into t to the power of 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 factorial, t into 2 to the power of 5 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 factorial. So t by 1 factorial, 2 into t cube by 3 factorial, 2 into t to the power of 4 by 4 factorial. 3 factorial means 6, 4 factorial means 24, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 3 factorial and 3 into 2 into 1, 24. 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 6. 2 1 ja 2 12. Therefore t plus 2 cube by 3 plus t to the power of 4 by 12 is the answer. Next problem, L inverse of 2s plus 1 by s square minus 9. 2s plus 1 by s square minus 9. So it is also you have to separate division. L inverse of 2s by s square plus 9 plus 1 by s square plus s square minus 9. So separate inverse, here 2 is the coefficient, 2 into L inverse of s by s square minus 9 means 3 square, s square minus 3 square plus L inverse of 1 by s square minus 3 square, 9 means 3 square by linearity property. And this is the formula, L inverse of s by s square minus a square equal to cos h of at. So here a equal to 3, therefore 2 is as it is cos h of 3t. And it is the formula L inverse of 1 by s square minus a square equal to 1 by a sin h of at. A means here 3, therefore 1 by 3 into sin h of 3t. అదే ప్లస్లో ఉంటే కాస్ ఎయిటీ సైన్ ఎయిటీ వస్తుంది, మైనసెస్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి సైన్ హెచ్ ఆఫ్ ఎయిటీ కాస్ హెచ్ ఆఫ్ ఎయిటీ, సైన్కి ఏమో 1 by a అనేది కంపల్సరీ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, 2s plus 3 by s square minus 16. It is also same, we have to separate, divide. L inverse of 2s by s square minus 16 equal to L inverse of 2s by s square minus 16 plus 3 by s square minus 16. 16 means 4 square, and 2 is the coefficient outside. 2 into L inverse of s by s square minus 4 square. Here 3 is the coefficient. 3 into L inverse of 1 by s square minus 4 square. It is by linearity property. Coefficients are outside. Next properties, it is L inverse of s by s square minus a square equal to cos h of 80, a equal to 4, therefore 2 as it is cos h of 40. Here formula L inverse of 1 by s square minus a square equal to 1 by a into sin h of 80, a equal to 4, therefore 1 by 4 into sin h of 40. 3 is the coefficient as it is. Therefore 2 into cos h of 40 plus 3 by 4 into sin h of 40 is the inverse Laplace transform of given function. Next, find the L inverse of 2s plus 1 by s square plus 25. It is also same. Separate, divide L inverse of 2s plus 1 by s square plus 25 equal to L inverse of 2s by s square plus 25 plus 1 by s square plus 25. 25 means 5 square, and by linearity property 2 is outside. 2 into L inverse of s by s square plus 5 square plus L inverse of 1 by s square plus 5 square. So this is by property L inverse of s by s square plus a square into equal to cos 80 plus ఉంది కాబట్టి cos 80 వస్తుంది. So 2 into cos a means 5, therefore cos 5t. It is the 1 by s square plus a square formula. L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square means 1 by a sin 80 means a equal to 5, so 1 by 5 sin 5t. So 2 into cos 5t plus 1 by 5 into sin 5t is the inverse Laplace transform of the function. Next problem, L inverse of 5s plus 10 by 9s square plus 16. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఫార్ములా చూస్తే ఇప్పుడు డినామినేటర్లో కంపల్సరీ ఏముండాలి, ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ఉండాలి. ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ 1 ఉండాలి, కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏముంది, ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ 9 ఉంది. సో ఫస్ట్ 9ని కామన్ తీసి రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ ఇస్ సేమ్. ఇంతకుముందు 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్లో మనం చూసింది ఇక్కడ ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ 1 ఉండాలి, కానీ ఇక్కడ ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఏముంది, 9. సో ఎల్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ 5s ప్లస్ 10 by 9s స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 16, ఇక్కడ మనకి 9 ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ 9ని కామన్ చేయాలి. ఎల్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ 5s plus 10 by 9 common, s square plus 16 by 9. So 1 by 9 total outside. L inverse of 5s plus 10 by s square plus 4 by 3 whole square. 16 by 9 means 4 by 3 whole square. 4 square means 16, 3 square means 9. So separate division ikkada nunchi same process. Okay, 1 by 9 outside. L inverse of 5s by s square plus 4 by 3 whole square plus 10 by s square plus 4 by 3 whole square. Separate division. Next, by linearity property, here 5 is the coefficient, here 10 is the coefficient outside. 1 by 9 into plus 5 into L inverse of s by s square plus 4 by 3 whole square plus 10 is outside. L inverse of 1 by s square plus 4 by 3 whole square by linearity property. Next, by using formulas. So first one, s by s square plus a square means s by s square plus a square means cos 80. It is 1 by s square plus a square means sin 1 by a sin 80. 1 by a sin 80. Here a equal to, in the both the cases, 4 by 3. Therefore 1 by 9 as it is. 5 into cos 80 means cos of 4 by 3 t, and 10 into 1 by a. 1 by a means 4 by 3. 1 by 4 by 3 into sin 4 by 3 into t. 5 and 1 by 9 to multiply this 5 by 9 into cos 4t by 3. 1 by 9 into 10 into this 4 by 3 becomes reciprocal 3 by 4. 3 1 ja 3 3 ja, okay, 2 2 ja 2 5 ja, so 5 by 6 sin 4t by 3 also. Therefore 5 by 9 into cos 4t by 3 plus 5 by 6 into sin 4t by 3 is the answer. ఓకే, సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్. ఇంతకుముందు ప్రాబ్లంలో ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి, ఒకటే, ఓన్లీ మెయిన్ థింగ్ ఇక్కడ 9 ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ 9 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ 9ని కామన్ తీసిన తర్వాత సెపరేట్ డివిజన్ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేయాలి, సేమ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, ఎందుకు మనకి ఫార్ములాలో ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ 1 ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ అది కామన్. ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్. ఎల్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ 3s మైనస్ 8 by 4s స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 25. సో ఇక్కడ ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ 4 ఉంది, 4 కామన్ తీయాలి. 3s మైనస్ 8 by 4 కామన్, ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 25 by 4 వస్తుంది. 25 by 4 అంటే 5 by 2 whole square. 1 by 4 outside. L inverse of 3s minus 8 by s square plus 25 by 4. So 1 by 4 total outside. By linearity property, 3 is the coefficient outside. So L inverse of 3s by s square plus 5 by 2 whole square minus L inverse of 8 by s square plus 5 by 2 whole square. Here 3 is the coefficient outside, here 8 is the coefficient outside. 1 by 4 as it is, 3 into L inverse of s by s square plus 5 by 2 whole square minus 8 into L inverse of 1 by s square plus 5 by 2 whole square. So by linearity property, coefficients are outside. Next is formulas. Apply the formulas and so first one, s by s square plus a square. So L inverse of s by s square plus a square equal to cos 80. Here L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square equal to 1 by a sin 80. 1 by a sin 80. A equal to, in the both the cases, a equal to 5 by 2. In the first case, s by s square plus a square. In the second case, 1 by s square plus a square. So if you substitute in this formulas, we get 1 by 4 as it is. 3 into cos 80 means cos 5 by 2 t. A equal to 5 by 2. Next minus 8 into 1 by a. 1 by 5 by 2 into cos sin of 5 by 2 into t. Multiply, just say 1 by 4 means 3 by 4 into 3. 3 by 4 into cos 5t by 2 minus 8 into 8 by 4 into 5 by 2 becomes reciprocal 2 by 5 into sin 5 by 2 t. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 4 ja, means 4 by 5. So 3 by 4 into cos 5 by 2 into t minus 4 by 5 into sin 5 by 2 t is the answer. Okay. Go through the video and complete your fair notes and do the homework problems from the textbook. If you have any doubts, any queries, please send me a message or call to me. Thank you.